Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Jules and you have landed on Little Bits of Chaos. I am decorating my bedroom today and I'm so excited. We just moved into this home and I've never really put a whole lot of effort into decorating anywhere that we've lived before. But I really am enjoying living here and really love my home. And so I am decorating it this time around and I'm so excited. So I'm gonna get right into this video, but before I do, I wanted to give you the opportunity to jump down below and hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up so I know to make more like this. But I'm gonna jump right in and show you the room so that you can see the dreary, boring before. And I am so excited for this dreamy farmhouse after. And I made a lot of this stuff myself, and so I'm very excited to show it all to you guys. Okay, so when you first walk into the room, it is the bed. We have a few things that make it so we have to put the bed over here. Namely, this vent. If we put the bed there, it'll cover the vent and the window, which we really enjoy having that open. So the bed is here. This is the door when you come in. And over here, this is like my husband's nightstand. It's built in. Underneath of it is headspace for getting into our basement, so we can't remove it. So we just kind of have to deal with it. So that is just an overview of the bed area. Very boring, very undone, not cozy or cute at all. Then from the bed, you can see the other wall has a beautiful antique dresser. I'll get a little closer so that we can combat the lighting issues in here. Beautiful antique dresser. And on top of there we just have a plant and our Alexa. Hi.
Hi.
And then we have our TV. And then over here we have one of my favorite parts of the room is just this little corner that I can sit and drink coffee and read a book or do whatever. Sometimes do my makeup over there. And so we just need to upgrade that a little bit. I'm going to be putting in a new table there and hanging some pictures above. And then we have this mirror. Hi there. I will be keeping that unfortunately for now, but it is a future project to get a much larger mirror to put on that wall. But for now, we're stuck with this one. Alright guys, I'm going to get started. Give you one last overview of the boringness that we have provided. guys, it's finished and I am so in love with it. I really feel like I achieved the cozy farmhouse and still kept it pretty minimal vibe that I was going for. It feels so cozy but still fresh and airy, and I'm just so thrilled with it. I'm going to take you around and show you everything, and I'll jump right into that. But first I wanted to give you the chance to, again, subscribe and like this video for more videos like this. Alright, let's go.